Hi, this is Ben Chai, the Doctor Who of Business, and we're just here with my great business partner Pete, and you can see the mess of this room because today we've got our what is it, monthly property meetup
networking event.
Yeah, property. And today our special speaker is one of our favorite mortgage brokers, isn't it?
We keep them very busy.
We do keep them very busy. I've given him 5 refinances this month.
Yeah.
So as we are going to have to get we're going to have to get on with the cleaning up and setting up of this room. I've asked Pete if he could share maybe 3 tips about dealing with mortgage brokers to get the best deals.
So just a few things about mortgages. We always work with a mortgage broker. They are so helpful, where they collect all your information and then they go out and find mortgages for you rather than you chasing down individual ones at the bank, etc.
Yeah.
Very big help. On that point, with mortgage brokers, not all mortgage brokers are the same. So if you're looking to find a residential property, make sure you speak to someone who's very experienced with residential. If you're doing limited company investments, find ones who are very good at that as well.
So we've got, 3 or 4 brokers that we use?
Yeah.
I mean, sorry, Paul, in case you're watching this, because Paul's our main speaker. We do have different mortgage brokers and also backups, because sometimes your mortgage brokers are too busy. And we did actually have one person whose mortgage broker was a racist, so he wasn't getting good deals. You don't remember, he gave a testimonial. So you really want to find a mortgage broker that you're going to work well with. Yes.
Yeah.
And what's your 3rd tip then?
If you've never bought any property before, one of the first things to do is to speak to a broker, because they will then tell you your affordability. They'll tell you exactly what you can go out and shop for. So there's no point shopping online and not knowing what your limit is without going to speak to someone. And they are the best people to help you in this situation.
So there are some mortgages that you could just go online and search for, like Virgin Money, which does really great deals and the mortgage works. But what you'll find when, as Pete was saying, is that you're sorting out your mortgageability, seeing whether a house is fit for mortgage, and so on. The mortgage broker is probably the best person to talk to, and they'll save you so much more time.
And start the process early, because they'll look at your credit report as well. And believe it or not, there's a whole minefield in just understanding credit report.
Oh my goodness, before we could get a mortgage, I had to give the mortgage broker my credit report. And so we have a credit report with Equifax, and he said, no, that one isn't good for this lender. They needed experience. So again, your mortgage broker would be very useful in saying which kinds of credit reports that you need.
Definitely, and they'll guide you through the process, and that's one headache away. And you just need to gather the information to give to them, and they do the rest for you.
So guys, we've got this massive room to set up and clean up. What is it? We've got water all over the place. And what else do we have here, Pete? Loads of desks and chairs. Normally we have how many people?
About 80 to 100.
Yeah, and the most we've had is what, 147? Probably should have been thrown out. Anyway, guys, we'll see you later, and hope you found these little property tips useful. Bye.
Bye.